This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making long beans egg omelette. I have here some long beans. Give them a good wash and cut off both ends of the long beans. Now, cut them up into about half to 1 cm pieces. We will also need to finely chop up a clove of garlic and a teaspoon of ginger. Now for the eggs. Break 3 eggs in a bowl. Add in 3 tablespoons of water. Half a teaspoon of fish sauce. And quarter teaspoon of white pepper. To fry the long beans and egg, add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 clove of garlic till it's fragrant. Add in the cut up long beans. Fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now season the long beans with 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. Add 50 ml of water. Cover this and cook till the water evaporates. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. When most of the water has evaporated, turn the heat down to medium-low. Then pour the beaten eggs into the pan. Let it cook till the top of the eggs are almost set. Then, stir fry for another 30 seconds. The egg is done. Top this with some chopped fresh chilies for those who like it a little spicy. This is long beans egg omelette.